Ngicela siphindaphindeni kathathu. Umoya wepolitiki unqotshiwe. Ubukhosi bethu buvuselelwe.
Moya wa politiki uhlotswe. Borena ba rona bo tsoseleditswe.
Ngungwedi unomkhubulwane.
Kingwedi nomkhubulwane.
Usihlengile isihlalo sobukhosi.
Uhlwekisitse tulo ya borena.
Ukuze amakhosi omoya abuse ngesisekelo sikaMthethokazi uMahati.
Hore marena a moya a buse ka motheo wa Maat mamolao.
Umoya wepolitiki unqotshiwe.
Moya wa politiki uhlotswe.
Ubukhosi bethu buvuselelwe.
Borena ba rona bo tsoseleditswe.
Ngungwedi unomkhubulwane.
Kingwedi nomkhubulwane.
Usihlengile isihlalo sobukhosi.
Uhlwekisitse tulo ya borena.
Ukuze amakhosi omoya abuse.
Hore marena a moya a buse.
Ngesisekelo sikaMthethokazi uMahati.
Ka motheo wa mamolao Maat.
Umoya wepolitiki unqotshiwe.
Moya wa politiki uhlotswe.
Ubukhosi bethu buvuselelwe.
Borena ba rona bo tsoseleditswe.
Ngungwedi unomkhubulwane.
Kingwedi nomkhubulwane.
Usihlengile isihlalo sobukhosi.
Uhlwekisitse tulo ya borena.
Ukuze amakhosi omoya abuse.
Hore marena a moya a buse.
Ngesisekelo sikaMthethokazi uMahati.
Ka motheo wa mamolao Maat.
Isekelo senkulumo yethu. Silana ke namuhla seyichaziwe indaba yokuthi sihlangane ngani. Sizovuthelela umvuseleli ngamaphiko njengoba kwenza bani wenza njalo. Ose unomkhubulwana ngithi uyamvuselela. Ubonile inyanga injani? Amisanga kwamaphiko. Iyamvuthelela ukuze avuke kusasa. Thokoza. Ngoba yilo ithemba lethu kusasa. Tomorrow is called the day of hope, because we are hopeful that the nurturing energy that also gives warmth is returning ultimately in September. But now, umvuseleli reawakens. So kukhona into nakithi evuselelekayo. Something is reborn within us. But now, namhlanje bengihlele nje ukuthi sikhona uku-understanda kungani it is an imperative for us to defend our land. It's not an option for black people. It is an obligation. It's not an option whether we have a right or we don't have a right. It's an obligation for all of us to be involved in anything that sounds like a revolution. But this one, it doesn't sound like it is a revolution. So, kumele iwave, kumele siqabele sonke singabantu abamnyama. Now, umlungu and politicians have successfully divided us. There are those that are somehow myopic. They lack to see the future. They want to confine this thing to illegal immigrants. It's not about that. Something is reawakening amongst us. Even the consciousness of the people is on the rise, which is why it's happening like this. We at GK, we're not surprised because these are things very besifisa. Besiloko siphahla siphahlela yona lento. Sathi ukuthi we are going to win without a fight. Ngoba silwa ngokamoya. We are fighting a spiritual war. Even Nababelung are defending that spiritual thing of their side because you have to be very strategic for you to be able to conquer people's minds. It's not about the physical thing, even about the land. It's not about that. Umlungu wants to keep you in the condition that we are in now as a black person because our mindset has been colonized for a very long time. So this is the time. Remember, we said some time ago, ukuthi umoya uzosihlanganisa ngenkani. This is exactly what is happening now. We just woke up. You know, there was this energy and frequency in the country. So therefore, those that have a vision saw the opportunity in what was starting. And saw the other side of what is happening physically. Okhokho bethu are awakened. They have awakened, Okhokho bethu, they are alive now. That is why things are happening the way they are. But I just want to give just a brief history why there's a need for us to defend our land. The land that we call South Africa, or the Southern Africa, all of it, Zimbabwe, included Botswana, Lesotho. This is where you find proof of the origins of civilization. That is very important. Not for us, but for the younger generation. Which then says that we've got to find a way ukuthi support the revolution so that we are able to change the system, because the system, it's what is blocking us. I don't understand why the Chinese would want to ignore heritage. Yes, South Africa. I don't understand. No Chinese would ignore heritage yabo, but they would be proud. Ukuthi wonke umuntu emhlabeni uqalela zonke intaba ezikhona emhlabeni zihlephuke kule intaba zala. Yonke imifula ekhona emhlabeni ikhandeke ngoba kuqale imifula la. Akusho thina. Kushini UNESCO. If kukhona labantu, because ngeke ngayikhuluma le nkulumo before. UNESCO did a research, scientific research, to confirm what I'm saying. But uhulumeni wethu wenze ngathi akaziwanga. Why? Because they want to keep us in the condition, knowing ukuthi now we are a generation of people that didn't do anything at all, you know, in the contribution of civilization in Umhlaba. And yet, we are the first people to civilize Umhlaba. The oldest calendar, the moon calendar, the first, you know, calendar in the world, you know, crafted by Indlu of Gazit here, the Libombo Pole. So all these scientific artifacts, there is what is called a plazin Gokomnyam, the black rock, which produced the first bacteria that created all living beings in the world. Umuntu, isilwane, yonke into uqalela. But that information won't be promoted because we are not supposed to be enlightened. We are not supposed to feel superior. You know, this inferiority complex was drilled, which you are inferior. So now, it's one of the reasons why we should, you know, be steadfast in defending our land without any compromise. And defend, you know, even the injustice. This is the time now to ukuthi singathuli. Sifele phakathi njengebutho likaba. Asoniyazi history. Hayibo. Nifele phakathi njengebutho likashaya. So akumelanga sifele phakathi. Konke kula ifubeni, especially la GK. Remember ukuthi i-dictate yomoya ithi uba ne-free flow. Ungavaleli izinto la ngaphakathi. Mhlambe because uyasaba. Usaba. Usakubukufa. I then now belong at GK. La sikusaba ukufa thina. Ngoba into engayakho, remember. So umoya, we are not the physical body. Right? So there's no separation. Remember ukuthi umoya udale lokhu okuphysical. It's an outward expression of the very same thing. Akuna mehluko between umoya wakho nomzimba wakho. Into eyodwa. Is the vibrational frequency yakho which is unique to you. So those are things that you need to consider ukuthi umhlaba wethu usemqoka kakhulu. When it comes to world history, yonke lento bayikhomba kuma Arab le bathini? No, East bayibizana. Angithi bathatha Iraq. Bayibizana. Huh? Middle East. There's nothing like that. That is a colonial narrative. Izwele today.
Middle East.
Middle East. Don't be surprised. I say Middle East because we are the first people there in Mhlabeni. So therefore we occupy the whole world. You go to China, it's us. You go to Australia, it's us. You go to America, it's us. You go to Japan, it's us. You go to India, it's us. Everywhere it was us. So you must never be surprised, you know, ngalokho. Thina kahle kahle si own umhlaba. Thina laba abahlupheka ngalendlela. Abelungu bagqilaza abanikazi bomhlaba. Bese kufika isikhathi nakhona. Remember ukuthi izinto zenzakala in cycles. So bese nabo abelungu bebengeke babe namandla okusinqoba if bongasi isikhathi. Ngoba bese kufike icycle vele. Bokubusa ba? Aha. It was the age kaMbhidlizi. So uSeth was there ukuthi azobhidliza. The Western world, if it's at the tail end of self-destruction because of isikhathi. Yingakho uTrump ayenza lento ayenzayo. uTrump uzelele yona ukuthi azobulala lo mbuso. So that something new must emerge. Izoemerge kuphi? eAfrika. Ngoba yonke into isuka la. So ukubuyela kwayo yingakho sithi a revolutionary. It's somebody that has taken something from that one point and return it to that point again. You can't call yourself a revolutionary if you've just gone half. Then you say I'm a revolutionary. Or half. Hey, ngoba if umuntu angazibiza ukuthi uyi revolutionary, umuntu othatha struggle from la salahleka khona wasibuyisela back to that same point. So mongakafiki lapho, you don't qualify to call yourself a revolutionary because ushiye nenkinga yakho. Hey, le hubo indlovukazi ukuthi sifela amaqala obaba. It is true. You know, our fathers messed us up. It's not umlungu. It's our fathers that took a conscious decision to sell out. They say they didn't express it, but they deferred a decision in 94. Bayithi fera bathi lengane uzozibonela. Ubaba onjani wenza njalo. It means ukuthi we never had parents. It's just a few. Abo Mamwini, abo Chrisani, abo Lembete, abo bani ubaba lo. Abo Sobukwe, abo Biko. Ubaba lo wase Midlands. Abo Babu Herikwala. Those are people we know ukuthi resisted the system that we are in now. But they were overpowered by the majority that had already been in the system. They've always been in the system because you can't sell right at the tail end of our liberation, then you start selling out. It's not possible. So, historically, there's a need for us to defend our heritage. Because inzalo yelanga nala eThekwini, uBaba Credo uthe Kemet didn't start in the north. Uthe uBaba Credo Kemet started here. So we are in the right place where we are. You know? And remember, Goti, before there was no land specifically called Kemet. Why? Because Kemet is a consciousness. It's here. It's in the mind. Even those kingdoms that call themselves here, Bonabakulu Basekemu, they were talking about a consciousness. Kemet consciousness. When you have found yourself, you know, you speak that philosophy. You know, it's something that is ignited within you, something that died when you were colonized. So when that fire begins to burn again within you, for you to be able to stand for yourself and never allow anybody, you know, to treat you bad. It doesn't matter whether the colonizer or your brother. Because these days, it's not the colonizer, it's the brother. You know, the colonizer system continues, you know, because of our own people that decided to go to, they will then perpetuate what was supposed to be killed in 94. What you all know, and we are confronted by a decision that was deferred in 94 to finish the whole thing, but they didn't finish. Bayishiyele thina. Sibhekene nayo ke manje ke thina asinamabhoma ngithi. Sisha kanjani? Sisha ngomphahlo, ngomoya. Ifana nendlovu. Awushayi yonke ngithi. Uyidla kancane until inyawo leli lize liphele. Iluze ibalance iwe bese kuyangena. Kepha kuthiwa lentuthwane iyayibulali. Mina mesiqala lo mbutho ngabuka ngaba nesithombe ukuthi siyile ntuthwane ezobulala indlovu. Ngoba asizi ngomkhondo, asizi ngezibhamu, kepha siphethe into abanganayo. Umlungu uyakhona ukuphahlela, akuphehlele vele ube affected. Thina siyakhona ukuphahla. Remember ukuthi sakhuluma ngalento abayibiza ukuthi constructive interference. Into esiyenza la mesilokho siphahla sihuba, we are creating that thing, constructive interference. Ukuthi ama waves that we are generating as we are singing, they form one big wave, which then reaches okhokho bethu much faster for them to be able to give us ama answers very quickly. So consider nomusekhaya, it is your duty to fight for your land. Don't let other people come and overpower you. You must resist. It doesn't matter ukuthi abobani. Vele abantu base next door banenkinga. Bafika bagcwala endlini manje nifuna ukukhuluma, nisakhona ukukhuluma. Mina bacela ukuthi hayibo anike nithi kancane. Kuba ngathi niyabalwisa. Njalo vele. But we need vele this discussion ezumndeni wala, so that silungise iphutha okhokho bethu, not okhokho bethu, obaba bethu. Singablame okhokho, obaba bethu abasifake kule nkinga okumele thina siyisolve. Iproof is all over ukuthi system akekho ongakaboni ukuthi system is down. The system is down. Ibambe nje nge-threat and ibanjwe uba ba ayini ngifuna the relevant name yabo yiyo le midlwembe ebambe i-system, otherwise ife dala. So in terms of heritage, you must understand that is important. This is the holiest place in the world. Kwashubaba, I mean, Ubab Credo, what is South African Day, the whole is the holiest place in the world. Because you find here the oldest cities, stone cities, and the lapha eMpumalanga, Isapi has destroyed a lot of them, so that we don't discover the truth about ourselves. Basibulele nje the whole section of those stone cities, so that we are not able to reconnect again. So it's something that is worth defending in terms of heritage, because ingane zethu mele zikhule zazi ubumqoka bale ndawo Southern Kemet. Remember sithe iKemet yini? Consciousness. It's not a physical thing. Consciousness. Once we are conscious of who you are, and ungachemi ngapha ngise-West, ngapha ngise-Africa, ifuna nje uqonde ube pure. and ungayixubi ke into yasekhemeni ayifuna uxube uthi oh no ngizolanda iBhayibheli ngireplace ngibhinde ayifuni lokho iyakulwisa mawenze njalo. Okay, then let's look at the economic side of things. South Africa is listed almost all the time as one of the wealthiest countries in Africa. You know, silandelana neNigeria. Thina i-oil yethu bayifihlile. We have oil in South Africa. Bayifihlile. Shokuthi ba plane ukuthi once sebesikhiphile noma basibulala saba yilama zombi abawakhanda ngalama drugs abawenzayo, then they will come and take over and reveal all those things. That's why America and Israel are interested in South Africa. It's because of the resources that we have. No one else has a right to exploit those resources but ourselves. Anybody that is exploiting the resources without our permission is committing a crime. The crime esizobafaka enkantolo ngayo. There is this thing in economics they call the opportunity cost. It means ukuthi labelungu kumele babuzwe ukuthi ever since you colonized us, how much have you generated out of our land? Then we calculate all that because it's money that they're supposed to repay to us. So those are things that are very, very serious, which are worth us dying for, so that leyingane zikhule ziyimpunyelo. Labantwana mele baqasha belungu because of the wealth esizobe sibashiyele bona. So yikho kumele siyilwe land to the end. Ngoba leyingane lesi must have. Akumelanga zikhule njengathi. Uye esikolweni lapha ibhuku olidabukile. Ha? So namahloni usabona ukuya esikolweni ngoba ufake ipeleti. These are conditions all of us, or most of us, as is experiencing. So we must save lengane. It's not fair for us ukuthi nathi silahlele kubo. Obaba bethu balahlele kithi responsibility. Tina, we can't then pass it on to our children. We've got to resolve it and deal with it. So that they must enjoy the benefits of our labor and sacrifice. So these are things. Nakona, remember ukuthi asinama resource. We don't have resources that we control ourselves. Awethu, kepha ama politicians that decide ukunikeza belungu to control our resources. Right? What do we have as a leverage? Numbers. We have numbers. We have numbers. Huh? See majority in South Africa. Mesinga decide nje ukuthi support ama product yabelungu. What happens? The stock market falls. Ama company in the JSE fall. So this is what we need to do because we are already living a parallel system. Like GK, we are living the future already. So, in terms of spiritually, somehow we are grounded. But manje mele kuze the economic arm. So, this is the right moment. Njengoba umuntu ehlangene manje, see unity. Even though kusenabantu abasithukayo when we are supporting the movement to unite, we are not saying we must unite so that we are able to deal with other Africans. No. It's a story. Remember, Guti had Labantu started by going to voice their grievances amongst the white people. What would have happened? Another Marikana. Because you can't touch a white person, Gulama politician. They kill you now. So now they wouldn't have been able to mobilize the way they did if they had started, attacking, white people. But now they've managed to mobilize all of us. So we must see that as an opportunity for us to truly unite, because unity is the only thing that we need in South Africa and Africa in general. Well, manje basithuka everywhere. You go Satan. And the Situwa abantu who are supposed to, people that have absconded their responsibility. That is why most of our brothers are here in South Africa, because of people who have absconded their responsibilities, So we mustn't even care. All we have to do is to fix this country. There's a lot that is at stake in South Africa. And it needs us united, not divided. Remember, politics by nature is divisive. So politics can never unite black people, which is why it's happening now, because it's outside politics and it's outside religion. Because religion divides us as well. So, ubumnyama bethu, this is what's supposed to unite us. And we are, on track in terms of that unity. All that we need now is to then explain the vision moving forward. From ukuthi abafowethu sebehambile nodadewethu babuyele emakhaya. What then? What happens then? Angifuni mina silokho sikhuluma ngeyiphaza. You must never aspire to be a spaza owner. No, seriously. You must think big. If you are interested in retail, think of opening your own Pick n Pay. Hey, oh no, bambile. This is where white people want us to be. Thinking small. So that they reap the benefits lapha phezulu. Hey, labantu who are interested for retail, asibahlanganiseni, so that they form one thing. Bavule itoro. Those that are interested. There are so many people who are interested in all different things. So if you are in retail, akuhlanganwe. If in Soweto akube ilanga la abantu be retail bahlangana khona bonke. How then do we build something like Pick n Pay? Siyoba ne brand nini yethu? Sizoba ne brand yethu nini? Ngoba mawufuna ukungena ku retail, it's either we are kulaba abathengisela izinto that are about to expire. Yini le ngafwe bayibiza le red and yellow card. You save. Hey, you save. Siphume kulo mqondo. Kumele sibone eShabalala supermarket. Hey, emhlongo this. Hayi manje siloko khona. That is poverty mentality. Get out of that situation. A lot of people now, they are rushing ukuthi baqhubeke ngale spaza system. This spaza system is ngoba i-government destroyed economic system yasema township. How then do you put ama-mall emakhasi without inviting the corner shop owners? How do you do that? Because you are killing you, who's supposed to bring development in the community. You are killing black business. Until today, those families who owned those corner shops are gone. And the government don't care. Basically, by ticket, we must learn from Pakistanis. Phela there was economy that was alive in Malokishin. Say apartheid. Who was operating those businesses, the corner shops? Huh? And then a corner, Baba Betu started a corner shop. Why? Because they were limited in terms of what they can do economically. You could have never owned a Pick n Pay, a ShopRite. By law, you were prohibited to do that. Imagine again if there were no blockages. Ababa bethu ngathi ngabe manje ba own a big stores. So Tina, we can then sihlehlele emuva. Bona bebe own itoro. Tina sesifuna amaspaza. Hey, mele sibadlule. Hayi ukuthi manje se-regress sikhalele lokhu bona bebengakufuni bakhi itoro so that something bebeyenza ibe nkudlwana. Hayi ukuthi manje bengekho ngesikhathi sama-corner shop ey'phaza bezingekho because there was no need. There was no need. So on the economic side, then let us look at the way forward in terms of the governing system. The governing system, okumele sibe nayo, although today is questionable, the governing system here to cause. I'm saying of course it's questionable today because it's quiet whilst we are being abused. And this is the system that is supposed to replace the system we are fighting here below. So we are half-hearted in terms of believing in Makosini. Because we don't see their role. See, abuse on a daily basis. Abasholot. Now, ama politicians asibiza bozonophobia, afrophobia. Phamkwabo ababakhuzi kuthi yekani ukubiza le ngane ngalokho ngale inhlamba enizibathelayo bathulile nje tu. But isystem yethu angithi ikhaya lakho melingcolile ulenzani ehlina ngithi awudilize umuzi wasekhaya udilize mawungcolile kumele ungene lapho uclean ukorobhe ususe maphela ususe yonke amagundwane yonke into lapha ekhaya. So ubukhosi bethu kumele sibukline so that ubukhosi bethu is able to serve us. Sibe sazi ukuthi sinenkosi, hayi inkosi eyamukela ngidala side nasifuna inkosi. Yingakho umphahlo uthi amakhosi aqiniswe ubaba. Isekelo sobukhosi uma-art. So inkosi mele ihambe ngendlela kama-art. Manje mesimbuka ephula imithetho kama-art, somhlonipha kanjani? Ngoba angeke uhloniphe umuntu owazi kahle ukuthi awukho 100% sure ngaye until amakhosi aziprove bona ukuthi they are ready to take over, from the system that has fallen. And I see some of them defend the constitution. Amakhosi lawo. Mthetho kaba. Roman Dutch law. You can't uyinkosi to defend the Roman Dutch law. Uthi hayi no mele sambe ngomthetho. Umthetho kaba. Umthetho usufuna yilo mthetho wakho. Ndaba ezithi ondlovukazi. Ungazositshela ukuthi sithobele umthetho. Umthetho a foreign law vele mele sidefy. Because it has no jurisdiction in our country. Akumelanga ngabe iyabusa kulezo. La ngabe kubusa umthetho wamakhosi. Manje amakhosi no asakhumbula umthetho wabo. Uke wawuzwa umthetho wamakhosi. Swazi. So abangeni bazosifundisa ngomthetho wabo. Yabona? So into esiphahlelayo le ukuthi lapho asikakabi neshock ukuthi labantu laba okumele basuhole sasa banawo umthetho kaMaati na umthetho kaMaati awuhlukanga kule mthetho esiwaziyo ukuthi ubuntu umuntu ubehave njengomuntu awubehave njengesilwane so umthetho kaMaati kade siwazi ngoba sizalwa nje sizalwe emthethweni umthetho wasekhaya so it means ekhaya bakufundisa yonke lemithetho ngendlela yabo the way bayibengakhona but it's the very same thing so bengicela singaphela amandla ngiyabonga ingane ezikhona namhlanje because they need to hear this so that nabo bakhule motivated ukuthi I wish our parents can win the war that they are faced with so that bona bazokhula kancane so angazi ngizovulela imibuzo mayikhona nama comments kulokhu nje esengishilo kunembuzo nama comments engage ngalento so that kube clear angithi siya deposit as we are talking now si deposit emoyeni so that umvuseleli kusasa avuke nazo le nqumo esiyithathela so asikhululekeni if novo olthize noma umzonda ke ungizwe isho ukuthi umzondelani umxhobo asizwe Lenga. Some. Some. Oh, some. Some. Ihlomile ngokamoya. Ihlomile nje. Kumele nje physical manje. Thokoza Khehle. Ajehut. Amlomukazi. Amaat. Thokoza.
Umbuzo wami uthi njengokuba sibona kuba nama emerging political party amaningi leyo isho ukuthi i-division ichubekela phambili and uma i-division ichubekela phambili i-crisis yethu iyakhula and then iyenza ukuthi umsebenzi wethu ube mkhulu ngokuba information imele ukuthi ifikelele abantu kakhulu phezu kwento yomhlaba ngoba umhlaba is the source of everything
Yonke into okay.
Umhlaba is the source of everything.
Sure.
Manje the new generation abakhulayo they are misled by the very same political parties in numbers. Manje phezu kwalokho bengithi akukhonakala ukuthi ungacela ukuthi mhlambi kuma community radios sicele islot ngoba la sizokhuluma ngale ndaba yomhlaba information nange-community radio ifikelele abantu. Although we are using phones and Facebook and all the likes, but the community radios, at least kube ne-slot every time and again, if need be. Then spread the information mayelana nale division ikhona nalento limele silwele yomhlaba. Yeah, that's my comment and response.
Sure. Leyo khehla bengicabanga ukuthi iyenzakala already. Labantu who are meeting laba bo Jacinta bo bayaya kuma community radio station bakhulume about the importance of uniting as black people. So leyo nto leyo at least umoya uyenze yaba possible and iya implement manje. Yabona. So mina bengithi asibajoyineni noma siphahlela success yale unity esi-experience because it has never been like this. It has never been like this where Umsuthu nomXhosa nomTswana no whatever, we are all marching towards addressing certain things. This is a demonstration of black unity, something that we need. It has already started. So ukuthi nje nabo kumele bancediswe in terms of vision. How do we go forward? Because they can't unite us, then take us back to politicians. They can't do that. Meaning ukuthi unity yethu, it means ukuthi we need to start afresh. I-constitution, njengoba angisishise, we bent it and we meant it. Sashisa nale yini le freedom charter. Ikhulula izinto eziningi lento senze ibhekvini. But sisile zonke lezo zinto. So everybody that is involved in the revolution can respect the constitution yomthetho. Mele bacaciseleke ukuthi we can't call back ukuthi manje asithobele lo mthetho osibulalayo. Kumele silwele ukuthi siushintshe lo mthetho. Singathi after this unity we are experiencing, then we go back to say the land belongs to all that live in it. Kumele siqale kabusha. It's not impossible. Traore uyenzile le neMali neNiger. They did it. But suspend the constitution, they started from scratch. Ukuthi what best serves us, not what is suitable for the West. What serves us? Ukuthi sibe nalento yokuvota every 5 years. Abantu ePurkina Faso have scrapped it. But Traore, hlala, as long as you are doing your work, continue. It's from the ground. It's not imposed. So izinto ke okumele, because a lot of people baza ngaleyon. What do we do? When we kill this system, then what happens? A lack of vision. Because there's so much. Remember, ukuthi 94 yaqala sanikezwa the constitution sayijwayela ngithi. Sakhona ukuyilentuza ukuyiquota. Our new constitution, and the constitution okumele siyibhale akumelanga ifake lezi ezinye izizwe. Lezi ezinye izizwe must then be accommodated, not being, the main principle. Umthetho wamakhosi uphi kule constitution? I-constitution ibukela amakhosi phansi. Bakutshela nge-customary law. In your land. But wena umthetho wakho is customary, but lo mthetho customary can never be above the constitution. It must always serve under the constitution. So that must be clear amongst all of us. Asikwazi ukunite ngale ndlela bese ke sibuyela ejele. Because the minute you accept lo mthetho ne constitution yakhona, ijele lelo. And lelo jele lizokudictatela lithi, you come to us as political bodies. We don't want a union of you. Because I remember they won't register. Let's say we decide to form a political party to all black people. Constitution it in. You can't register a political party if wena uthi hayi abantu abamnyama kuphela. Yinto abayenza kuJuju. You have to run and look for Afrikaners abahluphekayo. They all do that. All these are black political parties. So Tina, we can't adhere to that. Into yethu must be clear. And asibusi nabantu bangaphandle. Mele kubusa abantu abamnyama kuphela ezweni labo. Laba abanye bezwe ngento thina sesiyikhulumile ukuthi kunje. Thokozani. Thokozani. Oh, okay. Kuze qala. Which system? Okay, sir. Ngeke ukhole. Asina membership. Asina membership. Sonke siboshwe umoya. Akuna membership ukuthi hayi lo membership asinayo lento. Wonke umuntu omnyama ongasumdlwembe belong. Imidlwembe nje singayifuni ke. Wonke umuntu omnyama belong. Mawuthanda belungu kakhulu soba nenkinga. No, mawuthanda belungu ke ngoba uzosipayisisa. Abelungu, khumbula ukuthi abelungu inhlangano njengale bafika nemali ngathi bazonceda kanti bazobhidla. So la sifune imali yomlungu. Masinemgidi njenganamhlanje yithi esikolekayo self. Siyayifanda into yethu so that isikhululeke. Mabe sifandile phela ngeke sikhululeke kanje. Bazokutshela ukuthi hey wena ukhulume kabi wena. Usayitholi imali. Thiyakoza ubaba wala ekhaya uMashasha. Uphethe ngoba yilunga. Yilunga lombutho. Umbutho ongena membership. Thiyakoza. Okay.
For the purposes of umphakathi. Sicela nje mkhulu ungisekele kancane Tatanen then ukuthi unefertum singamsebenzisa kanjani as part of the non-industrial because of time when you understand animation, presentation, self-made, purification, so unefertum ngiyazi nje isinye singasize beauty what but benzeka ukuthi kwenze digestion
Yeah.
ibe lula.
Thokoza. Okay. Uyazi umehluko kuphi? Umehluko ufana nokuthi abasegoli ubuthathu babo babiza kanjani. Then abaseThekwini ubuthathu lokhu babiza ngani. UNefertum into eyodwa noHeru. Hey, it's the same thing. Remember ukuthi ubutha ipartner yakhe uba uSekhmet bazala bani uNefertum. Do you understand? So kuhlukana ngama geographical positions ukuthi abantu i-packaging le ihamba kanjani. Yabona ngoba ubutha, remember ukuthi ubutha umlilo wokuqala emhlabeni osavuthana namhlanje. Yilo mlilo manje bawubiza ukuthi plasma or the ether. La yonke into iqhumeke khona. Yonke into ephilayo iphila ngalomlilo ngoba kahle kahle sumlilo thina. Imzimba le it's an extension or outward expression yalomlilo, which is an electrical wave. Lela bayibiza ukuthi sin wave. Yakhumbula ihamba kanjani? Up and down. That is the wave created him. Sine frequency yethu. So manje ke uma ufunda ngo Asa, uOset noHeru, it's the same thing. Ubutha, Sekhmet and Nefertum. So packaging. Awumchaza ngendlela yakho wena the way uyibona ngakhona.
Associated with UCAP and primordial waters of Noon. So ngathi yena ungena into the vegetation.
Yeah. Remember ukuthi ta represent that.
Ta.
Ta. TL. Land.
Okay.
Land.
Okay.
So associate and land. That is why manje so figure masowukhuluma lapho ukhuluma ngezinto that are much grosser. Awusekho enyameni manje sowukhuluma ngezinto awusekho emoyeni sowukhuluma ngezinto zokwenyama. Yingakho iAmerica before it was called America, it was called Tameri, the beloved land. Right on. So say nyami masola. Manyithi uyabuza. Okay. Ukhona umunye. Khuleka ke buza ke. Ramasedi.
Mine is more of a comment.
Sure. Okay.
Based on what you have just said, in terms of how do you progress forward economically. You mentioned Ikoshina Maspaza, which is first still aspire to occupy Ipaza and all that, and that is not economic development. I think it becomes important to actually start saying to ourselves, let us produce what we consume and consume what we produce. It might sound difficult and complicated, but kunezinto ezi basic and products which are actually basic. everybody uses soap.
No, sure.
Everybody uses whatever lotions and stuff.
Sidlisinkwa
And-
sonke.
Sidlisinkwa sonke, and
Uh-huh.
we're wearing clothes and all that. And where do all those things come from?
Uh-huh.
They come from plants.
Yeah, bro.
And one of the common plants, fortunately or unfortunately, I'll make an example of a hemp because I'm occupying that space
That's
one way or the other. And if you look at a plant like that, you've got 250 byproducts, and scientists are still counting. So for me, it's a question of saying, let me identify where I am, what I can do. For instance, there are people who are into farming and all that. Animals eat. What plants can animals eat? And the other day, I remember you spoke of putting our own this thing, should I call it the emblem, what in the product that we produce, which is
Mpahla.
exactly.
Veg.
If you say, for instance, Umkhulu Tshepiso is into farming, is what you call is into pigs and all that. Where do those pigs eat? What do I produce in the little space that I have, which I can supply him? In turn, he supplies the shop which he owns, okay, to supply him with meat. And yeah, so for me, it's let's produce what we consume and consume what we produce.
Yeah. And ngiyavuma ke. Ilula lento. As an example, if we were to put 200 rand, all of us, every month, start leyo mali and say sifuna ukuvulani. Yikho ngithi mina kumele singene siqale ama shopping mall ethu where it's only black people who patronize and the black people who own the shops there. Asisho ukuthi kungeza abanye abantu bazosupport. Angithi sobe sinomphahlo. Mphahlo badge. Ama Juda ane kosher. Amandiya ane halal. Tina mphahlo. All the products. Angithi le unity is then supposed to facilitate a smoother process for us. So mesivumelene, start with what we consume on a daily basis. Isinkwa. Start a lauma collection. Siqaleni baker. That is going to be national. From kupeka impuphu, abanye fish oil, abanye as long as sivumelene. Before I said we cannot start economic programs without black unity. Umuntu omnyama usagula la ekhaya. Uthi why la maspaza shop agcine evalwa? Because it's sinenzondo. We need to remove the self-hate that we suffer from. Uyangibona ngiqala isiphaza. Uthi hawu ufuna uvuka ngami. Kube nendiya la libeka isiphaza. So uyakule ndiya. Ushiya mina because awufuni ngivuke ngawe. So Tina, before we enter any economic programs, we need to clean the mind. Decolonize the mind. That is the first thing. So that mesibukana, sibukane ngothando. It's good because Tina say experience at GK. Every time sihlanganiswa yiwo lothando. So if lento ezakale GK can then extend to the rest of black people, then we are somewhere. We cannot move as a nation. Remember, Guti, there are these emotional scars that we carry. So a lot of us have to go through a process that is for them to be able to deal with those things. So Tina like GK sizamile ukudila ngalezo zinto. Yabona. So as a nation, we need this model ye-GK to be replicated all over. Then abantu bazophila because ikhalenda iyalaphana. Ikhalenda nje kuphela. iyakulapha ishintsha impilo yakho nje uchange and become a different person. Especially ukuzithola once you found i-frustration ebakhona ebantwini i-lack of self knowledge. If ungazazi and your strength manje uzophila kanjani ngoba you need to draw from within. Lento oze uyifumbathile yiyo le okumele ume ngayo. So uma ungayazi uzoba confused bese kuba ne-jealous. Ay mara loya why yena succeeda uzitholile ngithi and akadipendi on anybody. Umuntu oyitholile ngaphila le namaJapan ngoba uphila ngento yakhe. Uyazi ukuthi into yakhe izomphilisa imusustain wherever they are. Oh umphathi thokozile. U12?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm very nice. I'm very nice. I'm very nice. I'm Kubloy. I'm Kubloy. I'm Kubloy. Ramase. 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 I'm with you. Kamat. Antu. I'm for this. I'm for this. Asahmed. I'm Tetogas. Aspethelele konje besa ubani ukhehla besa ukhuluma ke practical things esingazenza. It's possible, especially masinqoba kule revolution esikuyo. We can't start a revolution bese ke siyahluleka. Kumele sinqobe. And ukuyinqoba kwethu it means ukuthi kumele kushintshe system. The system that is supposed to replace is supposed to be the system that is similar to a system yamabhunu. Amabhunu came over after the British. They then did everything possible to empower their people. Imali hayi ukuthi ayikho. Ikhona imali. But it's mishandled imali yethu. So yingakho kumele sifake ipush. Lento esiyenzayo kumele sibe nama temple all over izakhiwo that are similar to abomeka. Izinto kumele sibe nazo ngoba there is no symbol of African spirituality in South Africa. Akuna structure that represents except esigodlweni. Ukasibona isigodlo recently. Hey, otherwise you won't find it anywhere. So ngiyacela ke makhehla ukuthi yinto ke esemqoka leyo kakhulu ukuthi asilwele ukuthi kushintshe system. Once the system ishintsha kungena abantu ababoshwe uma art ku leadership then sonke siba right. all of us, because they reach. Umoya usinikezile more than enough. We're not supposed to be, experiencing hunger, poverty, and live in squalor. Tina, hey, labantu abasibhekile lapha bangaphandle bathi abantu base South Africa, it's like they are natural leaders, all of them. So ikhona abantu bangaphandle abayibonayo ngathi. So manje kumele sibehave ngaleyo ndlela vele. Angithi singabazali. Singabazali boluntu. Indlovukazi inzala bani. Ngaphandle kwabo akho Ndiya, akho Mlungu, akho Arab ngaphandle kwendlovukazi zethu, because they have that potential, that strength DNA, mitochondria, ibanikeza i-ability ukuthi baproduce all colors. Thokoza ke. Thokoza ke. Yeah, bro.
Know yourself first.
Yes.
I was a person who used to crash out, but this crash out, you must crash out. You can't manage your own emotions because you don't know yourself.
Injalo.
First find your grounding,
Yes.
find your stability, so
Yes.
that whatever you create
Yes.
is on that ground.
Yes.
So labantu bayakuloya
Thokoza. Ilapho kesha.
everything that you build is not on a ground.
Yebo. Thokoza. Thokoza kesha.
I should wipe out the whole, maybe 32 years. I should be reprogrammed to the rock.
Kunzima kesha kepha nathi sayenza. Bese sayenza. Sayenza nathi. Njengoba usibona la, iningi lethu we staunch Christians. Kepha sithe masithola ukukhanya. Sadedela konke. Siyaphila kumanje. Ibhlungu yona. Ibhlungu is not a comfortable process. Ngoba i-foundation yakho yonke. Uyabona manje yahlishiswa. Kuthiwa konke lokhu bowukwenza izeleze. Yabona. So nathi sahlangabezana nalawo maqiniso. We had to take a decision. Ukuthi okokuqala uJesu akazaphila. Akazaphila emhlabeni. No David. No more. Angeke wathola amathunabo. Mina ngaya eIsrael. Ngiyofuna lethuna lale ndoda. Hayi ngafika lapha eJerusalem benze umkokotelo. Kunesakhiwo lapha esikhulu. bakhanda ngithi bayazi ukuthi abantu bathanda legama babakhela vele ithuna le-fake mawungena bathi uJesu lele lapha nawe-ke muslim soyakhala lapha amajuda adla imali enza i-tourism ngaleso story phela kepha iqiniso bayazi akunaJesu lapha angeke uzulithola ithuna lakhe kepha ithuna lenkosi uSobhuza ngithi yalazi noma kungadlula 2000 somkhomba sithi nangu indaba ezithulele la manje lenkosi yamajuda yona iziwaye ngatholakala bathi wa nyamalala so akakayehli ingakho abantu abamnyama basamlindile namhlanje ngoba wagcina enyukile nyamalala so balindele ukuthi azobanceda uzoqala ukuphila uzoqala ukuqala kanje phela ukuphila kuba buhlungu phela i-rapture rapture ayikho jenkile usi hayi i-rapture so sinenhlanhla nje thina makheso sinenhlanhla kakhulu ukuthi remember ukuthi ukhethiwe ukuze u-understand lento okukhulunywa ngayo if ungakhethwanga kungena la kuphumela ungakhuluma 1000 ways omuntu onganasabelo salento ngeke akuzwe so it's only umuntu okhethiwe onesabelo ingakho sathi thina we are not about numbers kepha abanikazi bayo lento bazosondela ngoba mawuhlangana nayo lento umuntu wayo ngeke ungathinteki uyathinteka bese uyabuza ukuthi hey lekhaya lingenze ngafila ngalendlela likuphi bese uyalithola sikubona ungena eJK azange siyo advertise sithi hoza umoya ofikele wena do you understand yingakho yonke into yethu controlwa umoya yonke into thina sapleni lutho silindele umoya ukuthi uthini ngoba ungaplana bese kuba frustrated hayi ngifuna lento yenzakale ngesikhathi sami umoya uthi angeke linda mina mase iqondile izinto zobonakala uzobona ngama signs ukuthi nayi lento seyihlangene manje that's how we live la emoyeni ayikho into yenziwa i-ego ukuthi no because ukufisa mina kumele kwenzakale ngalesikhathi remember ukuthi umoya you can't determine ukuthi uphendula nini kanjani wena uyafisa nje kuphela ube disciplined but njengoba ukhehlashwa ufise into nawe wazi kahle ukuthi I am solid in it ungafuna ukuhamba ukuyocula ungena voice ufuna umoya ukupha voice ngoba manje ukhalela umunye umuntu oculayo ayisebenzi kanjalo umoya uthi izifune wena futhi nali calendar liyakulekelela buke nje abosethi banjani. Ubuke aboheteri banjani. Wonke thina sikwazi ngezenzo zakho. Mositshela igama lakho usithi yingakho wenza kanje wena. Because sesibona izenzo zakho before. Bese kuchecka ukuthi uzalweni sithi that's why unje. So kulula ukuthi umuntu ayithole la eGK. Remember ukuthi a lot of people baze bashona emhlabeni without finding themselves ukuthi mina nguba. Umuntu ushona robot. Uvuke ekuseni ubuya ntambama. Uvuke ekuseni abuya ntambama. For 40 years umuntu yenza into eyi-1. Bese uba proud. Ibareke ilisele likhwalele aliberekelela. Nyayi. Utshela thina wena. I was very loyal. For 40 years I've been in that company. Bakunikeni. Kumele ubheke isikhathi ngoba manje umlungu unesihluku mariyazi. Hayi but umlungu akanankinga, inkinga ayikuwe. Ungenza into eyodwa for 40 years. Awuphilanga la ekhaya. 40 years. Hayi ngeke. Yingakho thina saphuma kuzo zonke lezi zinto a long time ago. Thina sivuka nje siza umoya ukuthi uthini. Umoya mawuthi driver manje uye Rustenburg, driver there and there. Mengifika lapha ngithi nakhu ireason ukuthi ngibe la ile. Uzoyithola vele. Sigayidwa umoya yonke into esiyenzayo. And umoya mawengeja. Remember ukuthi mawenze as an example petty project. I-project mawengeja. Umoya ukulethela 1,000 options. Then it's up to you ukuthi wena which one do you choose? And lo kumele uyichoose. Kumele ihambelane nobuwena with the core of your being, who you are at a spiritual level. Otherwise it will fail. Like lento le ngishoyo. Uzumashasha vele ecula kamnandi. Nami sengifuna ukuthatha imic. Hayi ngazama ucula mina. Ngaze ngaya nasefuba. I studied music theory mina. But umoya wathi awuyilapho. I was fortunate because I realized that I'm not talent. So early. I used to imagine myself at this age. Mshabo, yebo. Umoya wathi awuyilapho. So we laugh from okay. Yeah?
But so niggas is see.
Who's the seed? Sengisho nje ukuthi uzoya stage na ngoba naye ngathi ngibona ukulendlela benkulu. Umoya usifuni. Lo wegumbu right. But ukuthi yo perform stage inkinga ke. Ngoba sizoyihlaza. So ilapho makela. Asibambeni nje sibe nesineke salena. We are making impact. Nina, you might not realize, but thina esibukayo impawu zomoya. Siyabona ukuthi ukuhlangana kwethu. Remember ukuthi sihamba nelanga. Ilanga la likhona silapha. Meli qala uhambo olusha noma kwenzakala silapha. Ukhabula lo moya. So there is no way ukuthi we are not going to be able to affect reality. You know, ngoba yonke into iqala emoyeni. Meqala emoyeni meyiza nje ngapha, remember ukuthi umoya is the cause. Lokho siwe experience is the effect. So lo hambo lwethu silokho si-sacrifice every 3 months is somewhere uthi siyagula oh sibhorekile siswele into esingayenza asikho lapho nathi asazi yini into esivumisayo phela siphumule njengoba sisuka la inzalo in 3 months 2 months inzalo sesenzalo from enzalo Limpopo from Limpopo Bergville from Bergville back here kunini siyenza lento so there's no way ukuthi lento yenzakale ukuthi remember ukuthi mesifika kulama points these are 0 points kula ugesi wehla khona siyalapheka mesifika kulama nodes this la mashasha were affected by the southern node and inode yakhona khehla ayifani ne-highway remember ukuthi a node i-affecta ifana nani i-Wi-Fi i-distance yakhona ihamba how many kilometers ifika how many meters yabona manje sikhuluma la ngogesi womhlaba ukuthi at a certain point is energized that node njengoba le point le southern node energized manje so it affects the radius road I see highway nje so remember ukuthi there are no straight lines in life can never be straight yes spiral I mean the energy as it descends so it affects a huge area so kula sikhona sihabula khona amandla ingakho bathi basipressa because siprotectwe into invisible ilanga nenyanga nothing else ukhona uthwele nithwele mina ngazi sithwele ngelanga nenyanga kuphela isithwalo sethu ke ngoba imimoya esiphilisayo leyo ngaphandle komoya welanga nenyanga asilutho isithwalo esikhulu futhi leso mawuthwele ngalokho labo mafundane laba bakutshela ngegubhu hayi uzothatha isigubhu la kimi 150,000 nawe ke ngithi awuzazi ufuna kanti ngabe uinvesta in knowing yourself you will make triple into esigubha yikho ngoba sowudliwe le 150 inkinga masowusitholile akunalentuza akunandlela ukuthi uzobuyela ukuthi hayi mandoda lento nginike yona ayisebenzi ngeza umuntu akhala ecomplaina ngegundwane bathi bamnikeza igundwane lemali manje lahamba waya manje ndothi yafoni ngathi hayi mali iphi imali angizithe izongena manje uyabona izinto ezinjalo thina siphila ngomoya welanga nenyanga siyavuma ngesilungu sithi electromagnetic field of earth yiyo esithwele ngayo asiloyeki macabanga ukuthi khona umuntu ozokuloya uhamba la eJK ngoba umbozwe ufukanyelwe indlovukazi nekhehla la imimoya remember ngathi umoya ubona le into ngakayenzakala so therefore mawuthembele emoyeni you are safe umoya mawuthi kuwe ungayi left you are right landela ngoba waya left ingozi siyayazi leyo uthi eish umoya ungitshelile uthi ngithene right but mina ngawuphikisa ngene engozini thokozani my friends ukhona umuntu hayi ngisasekhona la thokozeni